If you are someone who is new to the world of computer programming, then this video is for you. Computer programming is the process of designing and creating software using programming languages. In this video, we will explain why computer programming is important, common programming languages, and tips for beginners in programming. If you're a newbie to the of computer programming, this video is tailored for you. Programming languages, in simple terms, enable developers to design and create software for various purposes. In this guide, we will give you an overview of why computer programming is critical in today's world, from creating websites and mobile applications to designing user interfaces and creating artificial intelligence solutions. We will discuss the most common programming languages developers use and provide tips for beginners as they learn the ropes. After going through this guide, you will have a good idea of what computer programming is and how you can get started on your journey in programming.